This year 2025, if you ever want to make a lot of money from crypto airdrop, then you have to be on time. You have to know the right project, the right step, what to do. I'm going to show you two websites that you can follow in order not to miss out on anything airdrop. So before you proceed right now, one thing you have to do for me is to like this video, subscribe to this channel right now, and comment whatever you think about this video right now. Alright, so let's dive right into this video right now. So first of all, you have to go to this website right here called cryptorank.io. Now I'm going to show you a second website, but this is the first one where we're going to get every airdrop details. Alright, now when you get into CryptoRank, this is how the website looks like. So one thing you have to do is you have to come to this section right here and click on these box icons right here. So the moment you click or hover on that box icon right there, you have to come over to drop hunting. So when you come to drop hunting, you will see a whole lot of details about airdrop that are ongoing, the ones that are concluded, the ones that you see every single details you need to know about airdrops, any airdrop that is up. All right, so for instance right here you could see Jupiter right here. The website categorized this airdrop into different categories. So on this search bar right here, you could search airdrop according to their category. You could search them by their name, and then you could search them by the tax. Okay, you will see the ones that are available by the tax. Either you're doing social, bounty platforms, testnet, mainnet, staking, liquidity provider, just filling form, or gaming airdrops. So now the status of the airdrop, which is very important, the status tells you if there is a potential airdrop, which means it's not confirmed, a confirmed airdrop, snapshot has been taken, is under verification, reward is available, distributed. Okay, so you won't waste your time doing the ones that are already over. So like this, the case of Jupe, you could see is on that verification. So if you this is January as at the moment this video is being made. So if you actually participated in swapping, or you swap over $500 on your Phantom wallet, then you could check for your Jupe airdrop, you could be eligible. Then the ones that are potential, this one here, they are not really confirmed, all right, but they are potential airdrop. Then the confirmed one, this one you can freely do it. Now this website does not just give you information about airdrop, but it tells you how much these companies raised. Okay, so you see the one there, not all is displayed. So you see how much this company raised, then you see their Twitter score, you will see how many persons are participating in the airdrop. So you are able to determine how much these people are able to award people in airdrop based on how much they raise. I could remember participating in an airdrop early last year, in early 2024, and why most people anticipated much for that particular airdrop, it didn't award to anything, and we were all surprised because there were too many tags, and only for me to get here and discover that they raised less than $100,000. So you could also see companies that are sponsoring that particular project. You could see here, you could see Binance logo, you could see OKX logo. So you will see details about the companies financing a particular airdrop. So now that aside, you could just, if you decide to search airdrop by the company, you could just click on the company and you see all the projects that they are actually financing. Like for instance, now I'm clicking on Binance Lab right here. So I just click on Binance Lab, so I will see all the project and amount that Binance Lab have invested into all of these projects right here, and I could choose the one to actually participate in. So if we click on anyone, let's say we want to click, let me say I want to click on this privacy. All right, so now I will see, you could also see if it costs money to participate on that particular project or not, the time it takes, airdrop, either confirm or not, date announced, company participating here, the airdrop the companies raise money from, the amount that they raised. So now the good thing about this website is that it gives you detailed step-by-step guide on how you could participate in the airdrop. Now you can see right here, to tell you sign up, use the code. I'm going to provide my referral code in the description of this video so that you can join this particular one. It's currently open and it's financed by Binance Lab, OKX, and many more, so it's bound to do much. So now it will give you detailed step-by-step what to do to be eligible for that particular project. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Okay, one more thing. Now the next one is our website. The next one is 𝗕𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗏.com. Now you have to go to 𝗕𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗏, where now when you get to 𝗕𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗏, you come over to this bar right here and click on airdrop. So every airdrop related post can be seen there, and you see step-by-step detailed explanation, including a video from my own channel, from this channel, that actually explain how you can participate in that particular project. Okay, so thank you for liking this video, thank you for commenting, and thank you for watching. See you in our next video.